In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Apple Store order. Whether you're eagerly awaiting your new iPhone or checking on your latest accessory purchase, tracking your order is a simple process that can provide peace of mind and ensure you're updated on its journey to your doorstep. Let's dive right in to see how you can effortlessly keep tabs on your Apple Store purchases. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Apple Store account. This is essential because your orders are linked directly to your account, allowing you to access your purchase history and tracking details. Once logged in, your next step is to look at the navigation bar at the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the Apple logo, which acts as a gateway to various account options. Go ahead and click on the Apple logo. Doing this will present you with a drop-down menu that includes several options tailored to manage your account and purchases. Selecting the right option from this menu is crucial for proceeding to the order tracking section. The next thing you need to do is click on the orders option within the drop-down menu. This is your direct access point to view all your recent transactions and track their progress. The orders section is designed to offer clear visibility into your purchase history, so make sure to click orders to move forward. Upon entering the orders page, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of your recent orders. This is where the magic happens. You can scroll through the list to locate the specific order you wish to track. Each order entry contains vital information such as order date, item description, and an order status. The order status updates regularly to reflect the latest developments in your purchase's journey. When you find the order you're interested in, simply click on it for detailed tracking information. Depending on the current stage of your order, you may see statuses such as processing, shipped, or delivered. If your order has shipped, you'll typically find shipping details, including a tracking number and expected delivery date. If you need further updates, most tracking details can be used on the courier's website for real-time status. This grants you additional insights into your package's location and estimated delivery time. It's a reassuring way to ensure you know exactly when to expect your Apple product. And that's all there is to it. Tracking your Apple Store order is straightforward and can help alleviate any anxieties about your purchase. By logging in, accessing the order section, and clicking on your specific order, you can stay informed and excited about your upcoming delivery. Happy tracking!